Hello, my name is Michael Sprunken, and I'm currently a fourth year civil engineering student at University of Calgary. For my fourth year, I decided to take internship with a company known as Inland Pipe. Now, when people ask me, what is Inland Pipe? I usually respond with, it's basically the Costco of the concrete precast pipe industry. A lot of you might not know what to expect on internship, and trust me, nobody really knows until they do it. And it really depends on what job you get. But it's a lot of fun, also a lot of hard work. A part of my job at Inland Pipe is usually a lot of problem solving. Customers will come to me and say, we need this or we need that. And I'll say, well, we can give you this. Will this work for you? And most of the time they say, yeah, that's good. But it requires a lot of technical knowledge on our part. We have to, as a civil engineer, I have to know hydraulics, geomechanics, structural reinforcement in order to design these products. You know, sometimes when I have a manhole 10 feet underground, I need to know, or 10 meters underground, I have to know what forces are acting upon it from the soil surrounding it. Or when I'm designing rear walls, I have to know what forces from the water coming through are acting on it. But one of my biggest problems, or rather my biggest feat in engineering, would be having to communicate with customers effectively. Sometimes customers will be like, what, or can't we just, make this bigger or move this over? And a lot of times I have to use 3 or 4 sentences to clearly communicate to them why we can't do this. It might be due to a production requirement or due to it not being structurally sound, but it's still a big part of our job to be able to communicate to other people who might not have any clue of what engineering is. As an engineer, I find it very rewarding to work internship. I think it's a great experience. You have people, your boss, your coworkers, everyone around you is going to be helping you. So you don't have to be worried too much. And they know you're there to learn. You're a full-time student after all. And a lot of you might be asking, is it worth it? Is it worth going to internship and going through the stress of finding the job and then taking a year off school? And I think, yes. I know it's been a lot of work for me and a lot of stress sometimes, and you might have to come in on Saturdays, but it's really worth it. I think you'll gain a lot of experience and learn stuff that you wouldn't normally learn in school. It'll help you get a job in the future, and it's just great. Good luck to all of you in your 4 years of university and hopefully your 1 year of internship. Thank you.